n8n's AI Workflow Builder. This is a feature in n8n that allows you to turn your ideas into completely workflow automations using AI. So in today's video, I will show you how to actually use it. Let's get started. When you move to n8n, you'll see this build with AI. So click it, and if you look closer here, you'll see some prompt that you can just click. But I tried to do something different to create my own prompt. I'm going to create a LinkedIn post agent that will post to my LinkedIn page after I fill a form. So I'm writing the prompt here for the agent to understand what I'm trying to build, and it will build it on its own. Yes, it worked, but I tried to create my LinkedIn page. So I'm getting some problem. I tested it many ways, but it did not work. So I tried to do something different. Edit fill. I will collect the n8n AI post and edit it here. Then I will try to send it to my email since the LinkedIn post will not talk. Here's it. So it works successfully, the email. And let's move to our email. Here's the email that it just sent. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye.